Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get promo code deals for AirAsia. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to open up my web browser. I'm going to go to Google. Now in the Google search box, I'm going to type in AirAsia promo code deals, and I'm going to hit search. And then inside Google search results, you get all these different third-party sites offering different deals. So we got Coupon Nation, got don'tpayfull.com. The sites I really like to use is don'tpayfull.com. It says 10% off or 5% off. So obviously click the bigger rate, so 10% off to activate this code. So now it's gonna give me the code here. So 10% off international airlines with this coupon. So if I go ahead and click on copy and paste this at the checkout section of AirAsia when I'm booking my next flight, I will receive 10% off my order. These coupon codes do expire, so you can come back to these sites at a later date to get the most up-to-date coupon or promo code deals available. I can also click here, continue to AirAsia, to activate that offering as well.